Robbie, please. Irvine, please. Head to shoot. The boys. Oh, sorry guys. Kevin. The boys. Bye. Kevin.
Nalaro ko ba din eh? Parang yan lang kita. Kailangan ka. Pulo.
Hindi ba sali laro eh?
The boys.
Okay, kompleto na. Kailangan yung bayad agad.
Nangyari.
Ay, sabihan, Sab.
Okay.
Agad?
Okay, sino si Jai? Medyo ano? Pwede mo. Kaya ko na Robin. Oh boy! Oh boy! 1 minute and 45. Ganda! Uy! Oh boy! Good five! Napaganda pa! Robbie! Good boys! By Robbie! Ano? Magi! Hey! 80 clear. Ayun! Diba? Good boys! Good boys! Five, please! Good boys! Five, Walter! Please! Nice! Sila ng Candy! Nakagawa ng Candy! Pinasay ko yung Ryan. Good boys! Five! Good boys! Hey! Sabi mo ba yung Kevin? Oh! Good! Good boy! Tumama! Tumama! Pag sinasabi... Bakay? Tama! Bakay? Ganda ka na lima! Yung pala yung ganda yan. 120. Bakay mo 3? Ah! Pero, Robbie! Nasa iyo ang kamay pa ko! Oh boy! 10! Bakay ka doon! 5! Pati yun? Neon green t-shirt, parang si Boss Whitey. Oh boy! Sino ba yan? Pinasa kay Peter Chris. Pinasa pala kay Jason yun. Ayan na, coach. Coach. Oh boy, by coach. Ayan na si Eden, pinasa kay coach. Oh boy, by coach. Peter, left-handed, 2 points. Ang ganda ng paso doon, huwag mong sayangin Cruz, 2 points. Pinabinasa kayo Mateo. Mateo ko lang, 2 points. 5, 2 points. 45 seconds, 10 to shoot. Nice assist by... 5. No? 1. 10. 5. Points.
Sadano ang display. Kahit hansen.
2 points. 2 points. Isang tayo coach, pinasa kay EJ Ilib pa pinag 2 points. Ang ganda. Shit! 2 points. Pinasa kay Long to Peter 2 points. By Jason, Baby Jack Power. Lumalayo yung lamang nila. 2 points. 16-21. Peter sinaksak. Left-handed. 2 points.
Game na. Thank you, Eso.
Parang madadaan mo yan.
Ganda. 20-23. back. 30 seconds. 2 points.
Mainit.
Peter. 2 points. 5 points.
Pwede po siya dyan. After dyan.
2 points. 5. Hindi ba pa si 6 minutes and 38. Bang! Yo, pinasa kay Matthew. Matthew? 2 points.
Tagal ba ng tapilok mo? Malalamig yun? Hindi naman.
Mainit.
13-03. 2 points. Lumalamang na kayo. Kaya ba ito, Bay? Patay kayo doon. 2 points. Wala, pero shoot. Ganyan nahambol. Palasan to bakal. Bakal for 3. Sumabay na pa, Matthew. 2 points. 2 points. Ganda na, 2 points. Miss. 2 points by Perote. Attention! Bow!
Gusto mo ka na buwabas yung tira nila muna.
2 points. Meron naman dito Dextros, tsaka Kota.
Ano sa isog?
Back. 2 points. 2 minutes and 45. 2 points. Lolo, may paluwayo.
Pag-twist lang dito.
Bang! Apat na guys. Bang! Sa dalang guys, dahil sa 3 points. Pinaka 3. Bang! 10. 2 points. This 2 points. 30-34. Palasan Kuya Robby, patay ka dyan, ba? Wala. 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Not counted, okay. Ready to shoot. 2 points.
Walang warm up eh.
2 points.
Kaya matataon. Jogging muna ako.
2 points. Sayang yun. 2 points. 2 points. Miss. 2 points. Bang! 2 guys, dalawa. Ganda ng pasa. 2 points. Pag di ko siya tawag din pa. Mateo. Bang! 2 points. Bang! Kanina ko pinapractice ko lang yun. And that's Whitey out in. Miss. 2 points by Jason Santos. You are basic na basic, guys. Okay lang, 10 to shoot. 5. 2 points.
Kapain mo.
Palasa for 3. Bang! Hey boys, 5 and 55 seconds. Isa ang kalamangan nila ready. Liban. 2 points. 3 minutes at 12. 2 points. 1, 52. Long. 2 points. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. Bang! Baby Jack up for Indeed. Oh, good. 2 points. 10.
Kasi may isang sa loob. 20 balls.
2-0. Dito si Val. Kung Ryan. Pinakakita sa Ryan. Evan to coach. Evan. 2 points by Evan. Basji. Passenger Ryan to boys. 6-2. Mateo. 2 points. 6. Basji dropping. Sinasa. Vidal. For 2. The boys.
May bayad pa isa. May bayad pa din isa. Hindi ako tapos ang laro.
Ano yun?
Nagbayad ng 200 peso ulit ko.
8-4. Nakausap ko ni Anthony. Dapat mag-shopping talaga kakain natin.
Pinakitaan na kita dyan.
Oo. 2 points. At ganun ha. Kaya ha?
Parang yung target yung lang sabi. Yung ano?
2 points.
Wala. Ano na ako dito?
Kenny! Kenny! 2 points. 12.
Mali. Para rin ha.
2 points. Sus! Tatay na doon. 6. Nice pass.
Sulit sana kami kung hindi lang kami pito.
Good, good. Carlos 2 points. Hard! Eh, libre, AJ. 2 points. Sinabi ang Pilipinas na Ryan. 2 points.
Yeah.
Hard! Belaka. Kevin? 2 points. Kevin? 2 points. Pinasay ko, triple. 2 points. Ayan si coach. 2 points. 3 minutes remaining. 2 points, Mayaga. Diba? 2 points, second. Easy to find.
Pambayad mo na kaya to?
Wow. Malis pa ako eh.
Ha?
Malis pa ako.
Ganun din eh.
Hindi ah.
5 points. Water to point. Ibig pinasa kay Jason. 2 points. 5. Evan? Ganda naman. 2 points.
Uyo.
Uy! Bastos! Dalawa! Sayang. Jason. 2 points by Jason Sandra. Walter, pinasa kay Papero. 2 points. 6-4. Pinasa. For 2. 2 points. 6.
Ano ba yan?
Hey! Two points. 5.
Good.
3 points. Please naman, tayo magpahit na dyan.
Popost ko kayo sa page ngayon, hindi may babagtas.
Sayang. 1 minute and 20. 2 points. And to shoot. Wala. 2 points. Okay. So ito ka Paris. Dito lang sa Lazy Hooks. Lazy Hooks here. 10. Sakay na doon, 2 points.
20. Keep the change. 1950 change.
Kevin to Jason, Jason to
Jason Kidd.
Jason to Jason pa! 19, lumalayo na. Lumayo, ayun na. Ayun na, sige! Ah! 5 minutes and 35. 2 points.
Thank you natin. Thank you.
2 points. 23-29. Uy, kumagat si Baby. 2 points. 3. Jason? Oh, 25-33. Walo. Walo. Pasok. Boy. Ano yun? Boy. Changing pace. Boy. Pilipin ko Evan. Evan? Yun lang. Ano siya? Boy. 29. Walo. 41. Balik na naman, naging 10 na naman. Bumilis yung 25. Sheesh! Two boys. 1 minute and 45. EJ to Kevin. Still lang. Two boys. Kaya pa yan, tingin ko. Two boys. Ayan na. Poste sa poste. Patay na doon. 2 points. 27-45. Bam! Liwala ang kalamangan. Tatlo na lang. Tatlo. 2 points. Isa na lang guys. 15 to shoot. 2 points. Ganda. 2 points. All. For 3. Pang-all. 5. Ganda pasa. 30 seconds. So, 0 ah. Boys. Eto, regalo sa Pasko. 2 boys. One. Yun lang, parang kitang bola. Good. Napaganda pa.
Mamaya. Okay lang naman dito sa taga Montalban na hindi sila makukuha.
Pati internet, wala. 2 boys. 8-4. Baka na. 2 boys. 8-6. Another shot. Back to back. Ulit.
Matatagal mo siya.
Hindi mo.
Ulit. 2 boys. 4 minutes.
Hindi mo na set mo, Chu.
2 boys. There, to shoot. 2 boys. Kaya lang yun guys, oh. Pasa. 2 boys. 1 minute and 25. We are right for 3 minutes. Sa rebound ni Talas. Talas Kevin 2 boys. Ano rebound? Foul na. 2 boys. Second. 2 boys. Miss. Foul. Elevation na. Hindi na papasok sa tapos mo yan. Mas Jeff, pinasaktan na lang po.
10 minutes.
7 minutes left. And up. 2 points. 2 points. 25. Good. 2 points. 2 points. 1 minute and 32. 2 points. Tutor.
Nice one!
Chris. 2 points. 2 minutes left. 20 seconds.
Isang tuloy na bibig.
Long.
Naka-jet